Hello children, welcome to maths class. Let us start in this video exercise 2.3 question number 7. You might have seen and watched, learnt up to question number 6, continuation of the same exercise 2.3 question number 7. The question is here, the polynomials, there are two polynomials we will see, ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and another polynomial is 2x cube minus 5x plus a are divided by x plus 2. In each case the remainder is same, find the value of a. So, there are two polynomials we can see and divisor is only one, x plus 2. When we divide, question says that remainder in each case is the same. So, let us start with that condition. In each case the remainder is same. So, we can do in different way, we can go for finding the remainder when first polynomial is divided by x plus 2, we will get remainder. Again when the second polynomial is divided by x plus 2, we will get remainder, and then as per the question we will make them equal, or we will go together also. So, we can go with this condition in case remainder is same. Therefore, the remainder when we find for the first polynomial, we use x plus 2, the 0 will be p minus 2 will be equal to when we put in the second polynomial the 0 minus 2. We are making them equal because remainder is same. So, let us start. Ax cube, the first polynomial, a into minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square minus 13. This will give us the remainder from the first polynomial, that is equal to the second polynomial 2x cube. When we divide by x plus 2, remainder will be same. So, 2 into minus 2 cube minus 5 into minus 2 plus a, and we have to find the value of a. We will simplify it and get it. A minus 2 cube minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 square, we know even number power comes, it will be positive, and then 2 square 4 minus 13 is equal to 2. Here also minus 2 cube, that is minus 8 minus minus plus 5 2s are 10 and then plus a. We go on simplifying. A into minus 8 minus 8a, 4 3s are 12 minus 13 in RHS minus 16 plus 10 plus a. Here we get minus 8a unlike term, 12 minus 13 we can do minus 1. Let us do that. Minus 8a minus 1, 12 minus 13, bigger number is 13. So, 12 minus 13 is minus 1. Minus 16 plus 10, here is also same condition, 16 is bigger, we will subtract and then sign comes of bigger number plus a. At this step what we see? One number, one algebraic term we can say. So, algebraic term we bring in LHS, number we will send in RHS. What we will get? LHS will remain minus 8a and a will go in LHS, become minus. Minus 6 is in RHS, minus 1 will come and changes to plus. Minus 8a minus 1a minus 9a equal to minus 5. Minus we remove, cancel, a equal to 5 by 9. So, very simple solution we have, only we need to know the condition. What is there? There are two polynomial divided by this divisor, remainder in each case is same. That means, when we calculate the remainder, we have done it together. First polynomial when we use the 0 and second polynomial and we calculated, they were equal we found the value of A. Or we can do separately, writing this, when this polynomial is divided by x plus 2, we will calculate the remainder, we will find and keep. Then when second polynomial is divided by x plus 2, we will find, and then last, as per the question, we will make them equal. So, we can do by that separately also or together. I hope you have learnt it. Let us go in question number 8. In question number 8, we have the polynomial ax cube plus ax square minus 3x plus 4 and ax cube minus x square plus 7 when divided by x minus 1, leave remainder r1 and r2. Question is very similar only, last question and this. In last question remainder were same, so we made them equal, but here r1 and r2 surely they are different. So, what shall we do? We will find the remainder when the polynomial is divided by this first polynomial divided by x minus 1 and second polynomial also divided by x minus 1. We will find the remainder separately and then we will go for the condition. Hereafter the condition is what? If r2 is equal to r1, then find the value of A. So, last part we will see later. Let us find when the first polynomial, what is that first polynomial? X cube. So, when x cube plus ax square minus 3x plus 4 is divided by the divisor is same only one divisor is there, dividend are 2. So, we will find out the 0 we will use, x minus 1 we will use plus 1 and calculate the value using this 0 in the polynomial. A into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 4, 1 cube 1, A into 1 square 1, we all know this all simple work, plus 4. So, 1 plus 4 we get 5 plus A minus 3, we get the first remainder 5 minus 3 2 plus A. So, this is what said here, leave the remainders r1 and r2 respectively. So, first remainder say this is r1, first polynomial we divided and got the remainder. Now, second polynomial we will divide when second polynomial is ax cube minus x square plus 7 is divided by x minus 1. So, we will use plus 1 as 0, A into 1 cube, A into 1 cube minus 1 square x square, that is plus 7. So, A into 1 cube, A into 1 A minus 1 square plus 7, we get A minus 1 plus 7 is 6. So, what is this? The remainder we got when the second polynomial is divided by x minus 1. So, say this is r2. Then when we see hereafter, the condition question is saying that r2 is equal to 2r1. As per the question, we write what condition we have, r2 is equal to 2r1. That means second remainder, that is A plus 6 is equal to 2 into first remainder 2 plus A. It is binomial, so we use bracket here, this bracket. Otherwise, it will be only 2 into 2 plus A will be separate. So, be careful when you use something in multiplication or in division, subtraction. So, here is A plus 6, 2 2s are 4 plus 2A. A we bring in LHS, we get A is here already, minus 2A we bring, it will be minus, and 4, 6 we take in RHS, minus 6. We get minus A equal to minus 2, minus cancel, we get finally A is equal to 2. So, this exercise is getting over with this solution. We will go now in 2.4. I hope very easily you are able to understand this all. need to have practice 1 or 2 time, and these are the very important portion of your this chapter polynomial. Prepare it well. See you in next video.